we talk about how can you find your points on your uh, NovelToon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on mine down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on your ball here, just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find your points here. I have this points here, and here can you find it. So and here can you find your redeems, and here can you earn points, and your points is sorry here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.